We are live from Josh's gym-ish thingy. Yeah, that works. And today we got an old microwave and we're thinking, what can we do with it? So, yeah, we're gonna kick the shit out of it basically. And Josh is the one doing it. He's gonna put those on just so he doesn't get any glass in his hands, you know? Safety first.
So random, probably. I got
What?
two gloves on one hand, mine, so.
Two gloves, what are you doing? They're really thin though, so it's all good.
Pardon, like,
Let's go. Just lay into it.
It's an awkward angle.
Yeah, boy.
Shit! I opened the fucking thing.
Let's get a sweeter angle. Come on.
I can't do it again.
You serious?
Yeah, that was badly.
So, let's have. Well, we've experienced the first punch, and it's a pretty tough old boy, so let's see what we can do with the dung. That's a tough motherfucking piece of shit. Right, we're gonna show you how hard this thing actually is. So, Josh, you got a pretty thick screwdriver. Give it a big old smash. Oh my days. And to think
Just a
that
little
we
bit.
was gonna crack that. Okay, let's see what else we can do to this bad boy.
That's my knuckles.
Yeah, his knuckles are pretty effed up. Right, dude, so I think we found the solution to how we can break it. So we got a kettle weight, pretty heavy.
7.5 kilograms, so it's kind of like, you know, slipping.
Not bad. So just give it a good old smash.
Which way am I going to hold this now?
Like swing into it, you know?
Like that?
Yeah, but pretty hard. Yeah, let's get a close up of that.
Oh.
Finally, let's see the bad boy. This is an inside film. So yeah, should proves how hard our
Look at
daily dosage of food cooking is.
It's crackling.
Can you hear that? That's weird. That was pretty good.
Okay, YouTube, I think dinner's ready. We didn't realise that was glass on the inside. Not very good quality, but we're gonna finish our meal off.
I mean, quality is just gonna be that. Oh, that is one hard.
This is a pretty tough microwave. You can see there's a slight dent.
Slight dent, that's a huge dent.
Okay, yeah. That's the mess from before.
Wait there, I got one. The big old boy.
Our friend's back from home.
Oh, it's you.
It's pretty loud.
Yeah, so
If your microwave don't work, I think we'll be able to fix it.
we'll have one more boy inside. Yeah, that's done.
Yeah, I think we fixed it.
Just to finish the boy off. Go back.
Watch your feet.
And that's us done. Peace.
Thanks for watching.